The year was 2023. Inside a sprawling factory bathed in the blue light of welding arcs, a new breed of airliner was being born. It was christened the Sky Titan, a symbol of human ambition and technological prowess. Engineers, their faces lit by computer screens, pored over schematics of intricate hydraulic systems and miles of wiring. This was more than just a plane. It was a marvel of engineering, a testament to humanity's desire to conquer the skies. The Sky Titan incorporated cutting-edge technology, including a revolutionary autopilot system. This system, dubbed the Autonomous Flight Guardian AFG, promised to revolutionize air travel. It would assist pilots, manage fuel efficiency, and even predict potential weather hazards, making air travel safer and more efficient. But like all human creations, it bore within it the seeds of its own potential downfall. A single flaw, a tiny error in millions of lines of code could prove catastrophic. Months later, the first Sky Titan rolled out of the factory, its wings gleaming under the sun. Test pilots, their faces etched with a mixture of excitement and apprehension, took it for its maiden flight. The plane performed flawlessly, exceeding all expectations. It was a triumph of human ingenuity, a testament to the power of technology. Orders poured in from airlines around the world, eager to add this symbol of progress to their fleets. No one knew then that this magnificent bird, born of ambition and innovation, carried within it a silent, deadly flaw. A flaw that would one day claim the lives of hundreds. A flaw hidden deep within the millions of lines of code that governed its every move. The heart of the Sky Titan was not its powerful engines, but the AFG system, a marvel of modern programming. Hundreds of software engineers had pored over its development, crafting a digital brain that could anticipate and react to countless flight scenarios. The AFG was designed to be the ultimate co-pilot, capable of making split-second decisions to ensure passenger safety. However, even the most brilliant minds can make mistakes. Deep within the millions of lines of code, a single error lurked, a rogue line that would prove fatal. It was a subtle flaw, almost impossible to detect in the labyrinthine digital landscape of the AFG. This single error, a testament to the fallibility of human endeavor, would set in motion a chain of events with devastating consequences. The software engineers, confident in their creation, ran countless simulations, testing the AFG in every conceivable scenario. The system passed each test with flying colors, further solidifying the belief that it was flawless. But simulations, however sophisticated, could never fully replicate the complexities of the real world. And in the unforgiving environment of the upper atmosphere, even the smallest error could be magnified into disaster. The stage was set for a tragedy, a collision between human ambition and the unforgiving logic of machines. A single unnoticed error hidden within the intricate web of the AFG was a ticking time bomb, waiting for the right moment to unleash its deadly potential. January 31st, 2025. A crisp winter morning dawned over the bustling metropolis. At the airport, a familiar scene was unfolding. Passengers, their faces etched with a mix of excitement and weariness, queued up at the gate. Among them were families setting off on vacations, businessmen on their way to important meetings, and young couples embarking on new adventures. Flight 747, bound for Tokyo, was preparing for departure. The Sky Titan, resplendent in its livery, stood at the gate, a symbol of human ingenuity and the promise of swift, effortless travel. The ground crew, dwarfed by the massive aircraft, completed their pre-flight checks with practiced efficiency. Soon the passengers would board, oblivious to the silent danger lurking within the plane's digital heart. Inside the cockpit, Captain Michael Thompson, a veteran pilot with thousands of flying hours under his belt, went through the pre-flight checklist with his co-pilot, First Officer Sarah Jenkins. Both were highly experienced, their every move honed by years of rigorous training. They had complete faith in the Sky Titan and its advanced systems, including the AFG. Soon, the boarding process was complete. The passengers settled into their seats, unaware that they were embarking on a journey that would end in Flight 747 lifted off gracefully, soaring into the clear blue sky. Below, the city shrunk into a miniature grid of concrete and steel as the plane climbed to cruising altitude. Inside the cabin, a sense of normalcy prevailed. Passengers browsed magazines, chatted with their companions, or simply closed their eyes, lulled by the drone of the engines. In the cockpit, Captain Thompson and First Officer Jenkins monitored the flight instruments, their movements calm and measured. The AFG system was engaged, its green lights blinking reassuringly on the control panel. So far, the flight was proceeding without a hitch, a testament to the plane's advanced technology. Unbeknownst to the pilots and passengers, deep within the plane's computer system, the fatal flaw in the AFG was about to manifest itself. A series of seemingly insignificant events, a confluence of minor glitches in sensor readings, triggered the dormant error. The rogue line of code, buried deep within the millions of lines of the AFG's programming, awoke. The plane continued its climb, oblivious to the silent threat that had been unleashed. The passengers, their lives hanging precariously in the balance, remained unaware of the danger. The illusion of normalcy held for now, but the clock was ticking. The seeds of disaster had been sown, and they were about to bear their bitter fruit.